Find the LCM of 15 and 20 using the common division method. Please go through the below steps so that you do not make any mistakes. Start dividing 15 and 20 by the smallest prime 2. Since 2 divides only 20 exactly, we get 10 while 15 remains unchanged. Again, start dividing 15 and 10 by the smallest prime 2. Since 2 divides only 10 exactly, we get 5, while 15 remains unchanged. Again, start dividing 15 and 5 by the smallest prime 2. Since 2 does not divide any of the integers exactly, move to the next smallest prime 3. Since 3 divides only 15 exactly, we get 5, while this 5 remains unchanged. Observe, 5 is a prime number. So, divide them by 5 itself. Since 5 divides 5 exactly, we get 1 and 1. Stop here since all the integers become 1. Finally, multiply all the prime divisors. In this case, they are 2, 2, 3 and 5. Therefore, LCM of 15 and 20 is 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5 gives you 60. Got it? Thank you for watching. For a deeper understanding of HCF and LCM, please subscribe and watch the playlists below from beginning to end.